Hey everybody, it's Jimmy from the DIY and Digital, and I've got some major channel changes to tell you guys about this Thursday. So let's go ahead and dive into those. So the reason that these channel changes are coming is if you've watched the live streams over the past, I'd say 6 months, you know that my wife and I are expecting twins this September. And in preparation for the arrival of our twins, I am stepping back a little bit on production of videos, just a little bit. And what that means is that I'm going to stop the Thursday videos for the foreseeable future. I'm still going to have the video releases every Monday, and I'm working really hard so that I don't really miss a beat when the twins are born. So I'm really working ahead and getting a lot of videos done so that you guys have some great new content to watch as I continue to work on my layout. But again, the Thursday videos are going to go away for the foreseeable future. And that's actually something that is kind of a compliment to you guys, because I created those Thursday videos when my channel was just starting to kind of prop up the midweek views. I had very low views in the middle of the week in between my Monday uploads. And now you guys have supported the channel so much that I really have a steady stream of views throughout the week, and I don't need that prop up in the middle of the week. So thank you guys so much for giving me the ability to be able to step back a little bit on my production and not worry about the channel. So that's what's going to be, that's the big change. So we're going to be doing a lot of tutorials. We're going to have about 2 tutorials a month. Then we're going to have a dollar store model railroad finds each month. I've got a special series of those coming up for August through November. And then we're going to have a layout update each month as well, because I'm going to be working on the layout. So that's the big changes that are coming up. Still going to have Arduino tutorials, still videos every Monday, scenery tutorials. Channel's still basically staying the same, just no more of those little Thursday videos. So thank you guys so much for all of your support. I'll keep you updated on when the twins arrive, and you know I'm going to post some pictures too. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and hit that bell icon so that you don't miss any of those Monday updates. And thank you guys so much for your support. Until next time, I'm Jimmy from the DIY and Digital. Happy railroading!